So there are 4,000 stocks in the US. There are 54,000 alternative funds in the US. The challenge just became an order of magnitude bigger in trying to find the right alternative strategy.
The main considerations for families when it came to accessing these types of investments were the sourcing. Being able to access these vehicles and meet minimums is a major problem for even ultra-high net worth families.
The industry suffers from what I call the sea of sameness. There's a lot of noise in the marketplace, and our goal and aspiration is to rise above that.
So the genesis for starting Western Alternative Strategies was really a lack of comparable solutions that we thought were institutional and high quality in the marketplace. We looked to find something that we can use for our multifamily office clients, but we couldn't, and so we went out and built our own.
The fundamental issue of access to private and alternative investments through a broad set of curated exposures still exists today.
We think in terms of portfolio solutions, not product sleeves. Everything that we've curated, built, and designed for Western and for our clients has been by deeply experienced investment professionals sitting alongside deeply experienced wealth practitioners.
I want my client portfolios to be all weather. I want to be able to generate a return in any type of market scenario.
The industry has taught us that in order to get higher returns, you need to take more risk. And we feel like that does not have to be the case. We are of a mindset of having high capital preservation for our clients. And if we cannot underwrite risk, or if we are uncomfortable, we will walk away.
Most of the investments that we make have a minimum of somewhere between $2 and $25 million for one check. Being able to pool client assets and write larger checks not only allows us to access vehicles that have larger minimums, but it also allows us to negotiate fees and other terms.
Our tagline is invested with you. When you invest in Western, you're investing alongside the shareholders, the employees, and you're investing at the exact same economics.
There is a lot of underwriting that has gone on behind the scenes ahead of time. And for an advisor that may not be their highest and best use, I'm relying on a team at Western that is all they do.
Western feels different from other alternative platforms because we're more of a consultant. You could almost consider us like an outsourced CIO, right? We're here to help and work with an RIA.
Our lens is looking at high net worth and ultra high net worth families and finding investments that are appropriate for them. So when we say built by advisors, for advisors, that's how we started.
To describe Western in one sense, there are really two main elements. We are a time-tested, diversified, alternative investment platform built by and for fiduciaries. I think decades from now, when people look at Western, there are two observations that I would hope that they're going to make. It's one, that Western was a relevant partner to helping advisors and their clients achieve their goals. And I think the second thing is that Western created a new standard for investing in alternative investments.